Hello, this is Alan from SPIKECAM Z11. Let's open the box and check. This is the menu. This is the TF card reader. This is the bike mount. And we have a Type-C OTG adapter here. This is the Type-C USB cable. The camera inside. Let's open from the back. If we turn on the menu, you'll find the button definition on page 2. Let's go step by step to see how we can get this camera working. First, let's power on the camera. We press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. The camera will power on. It is the same, so we hold this button again for 3 seconds. The camera will power off. To start video recording, it is very easy. Push the video slider up to the on state. So the video will start recording. You will see the blue LED flashing here. And if you put it down, then you stop video recording. To start recording audio, push the audio recording button up to the on state. And you will see a microphone icon here. And then the camera start to recording the audio, and you push it down to the off stage. The audio recording stops. If you want to go back to the video recording mode, you need to press the video recording button to exit the audio recording mode. How to take a photo? In standby mode, we press the photo button, this button, and the camera will enter the photo mode, and you press it again. The camera will start take photo. To activate the night vision, hold the photo button for about 3 seconds, and then you will see the camera display images with black and white only. Hold this button again to exit the night vision mode. How to rotate the camera lens? If you rotate the camera lens to another side, you have to press this flip button here to make sure the image become upside down again. Press it again to become normal. There is an interesting feature of this camera. If you enter the playback mode, if you press the menu button, you can delete it. This is specific file or all files from the sub-menu. Use the power button to confirm the deletion. This is very good for the file management, so you don't need a mobile phone or a computer to manage its files. How to configure this camera? Press the menu button once, and we enter the menu setting mode. There are many menu setting options here. You can use up and down button to bounce among these settings. For more information, you can take a reference of our menu. How to connect the camera to a computer? Use our Type-C cable to connect the camera to the computer. And then the screen will ask you to pick up. We pick up the memory, use the power button to confirm it. And the camera will turn into a USB flash drive on your computer, and then you'll be able to open the videos or copy the videos from the computer. The camera has a strong clip so that it can be used on any clothes or uniform easily. And also there is a 4-in-1 inch screw hole here so that it can be adapted to any mounting solutions. With GoPro, there is a bike mount in a package. On the camera clip, there's a magnetic block so that you can be attached to any metal part. You can replace the TF card with your own TF card. Insert the TF card from this direction. Also, we have the TF card reader inside the package. and this Type-C OTG adapter. The camera does not support the OTG function itself, but our USB card, TF card reader support the OTG function. So you take out the TF card and put it into the card reader. And then we use the Type-C OTG adapter to connect it with the TF card reader. And we find a mobile phone to connect this TF card reader to the mobile phone, and then you see the USB storage added. Okay, this is the camera file system. We go to the video folder, and then we go to, if you want to play this file, we click on it. You'd better download the VLC player to play back files, and you'll be able to copy or delete the files easily with your mobile phone with this OTG adapter. If you are an iPhone user, you probably have to buy the additional OTG adapter by yourself.